second?
Why you got a knife?
Just add time and I'll tell you.
I'm back. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know y'all all up in my grill. Today's video is about to be an interesting video, y'all. I hope it'll be screen recording and all that. We're gonna run a test and everything. But today, so yeah, y'all, we about to do this monkey thing and get it out the way. Period. So we about to go to monkey. I'm so scared. I'm gonna do rate me from 1 through 10. I don't wanna be on here. Y'all don't wanna. Hey.
Yeah, alright. Bust down, Tatiana. Yeah, alright. I wanna see you bust down. Bust down, Tatiana.
That was awkward. Girl, you saw that? That nigga was humping and all that. I'm like, that's enough for me. Back to monkey. Back to monkey. Monkey unky. So we only had like one person on here. I might have to do a freaking part 2. Why y'all keep running in and out the door? Like y'all. Hey. How y'all? Really? And I got talk. You're not gonna talk. Hey. How you doing? I'm good. Well, have a great day. Nah, we don't do that. Who this?
How you doing?
I'm good. Ashley. Yeah. Thank you. I do.
What? I don't know. Talk it out with her, bro. Tell her to pick who to decide, you or him.
Yeah, talk it out.
Yeah, listen to what she said.
They still silly. I like this. We doing the part 2, period. We in this game. Talking about talk it out with her, bruh. Yeah, talk it out. I thought this was. Oh!
Before our very eyes and the gaze of the world.
Okay. I'm like. I swear to God. Oh my God. Okay.
Yo, what it do?
Hey,
What's happening?
nothing. Yeah.
Mom?
Boy, wow. I think it was like, I don't know. falling. Come on. We gotta go. I don't know what's going on. Hey.
I'm scared of you.
Hold up, wait a minute. Hey.
Hey.
Why you look like that at first? He was like, I can't even do the face good. It was so funny. He was like, trying to figure. Yeah. Hey.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm great. Next.
Add time.
What you want to add time for? How old is you?
How old are you? How old are you?
Way older than you.
Nah. I was listening here. It's twisted a little.
Y'all kids silly.
Can you add time for me for a second?
Why you got a knife?
Just add time and I'll tell you.
Okay. I'm trusting you. Uh-oh. I added you as a friend. My bad, Pooh. Alright, what's up? No! What is you doing?
You wanna try?
No! I don't do knives. What, you gonna go to American Got Talent with that?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, well.
You
Bye.
want me to?
Hmm?
You want me to go to America's Got Talent for this?
If you could do it, then go ahead.
Would you watch it?
Yeah, I would.
Watch me stick this all the way down my throat and try to go to the side and everything like that?
Yeah, but don't kill yourself, okay? Be careful with that. No, be careful with that, okay? We don't want you dying. Too many children dying, okay? Have fun, love. Bye. I'm shook. Why do this child has a knife? That's my question. Get your kids. No, because love, we need to have a talk. We need to have a talk, okay? So look, parents out here, if you watching, get your kids. Look after your kids. They gonna monkey with knives in their mouth, okay? We can't be having that going on. I pray for your soul. You up here got the knife around your neck. We don't need you dying, okay?
Coming. Let them know we coming.
Oh, now we gotta go? I'm shook at this point. What else weird I'm about to see? I see people humping. People with knives. What else? What else I'm gonna see? This app is so weird. I can't do it. And I'm out here by myself. Okay. I got that on there. Text chat. I don't need it on there.
Hi.
Hey.
What you doing?
Nothing.
That's good. How you been?
Bye-bye. My camera's about to die, y'all. I'm so sad. Yeah, y'all. If y'all would like a part 2, then let me know. But I'm sorry this video is boring. I'm being a little bit stuttery because I'm not used to this. But now I'm starting to warm up to it. So if you guys like a part 2, we can spice it up a little bit, add some little bit more, add some time. And I'm the queen in the deep, bro. And when it's time to pop, they know so. Yeah, I'm pretty and I'm flawless. You know my lyrics go the hardest. Ayy, Rich, where to go, bruh? Ayy, yo, man, where the cash though? I been tryna kill this track like a pirate.